If your YouTube analytics are suddenly showing TikTok feet, you're not alone. From pedicure POVs to soft sole ASMR, foot content is blowing up, and TikTok is part of the reason. So, what's going on? TikTok feet isn't one specific trend. It's a catch-all term for content that puts feet front and center. Think dance videos where the camera lingers on footwork, pampering clips with lotions or scrubs, soft-spoken foot ASMR, and yes, some creators towing the line with fetish-friendly angles. Here's the key. A lot of creators are leaning into it on purpose. They know foot content gets saved, shared, and boosted by the algorithm, whether they're in it for the aesthetics or for the audience. The results are the exact same. Engagement goes up. Here's the secret. TikTok filters a lot. Anything that even looks slightly fetishy, it gets buried or taken down immediately. So what happens? Viewers start searching for that same foot content on YouTube, where the restrictions aren't nearly as tight. That's why TikTok feet is showing up in your analytics. People aren't just watching, they are actively searching. And platforms like FeetFinder, well, they benefit big time. When people realize they can't find what they're into on TikTok, they head to YouTube, and then eventually they land on sites where that content is actually allowed, monetized, and thriving. If you're a creator, this is gold. You should be using keywords like TikTok feet, feet TikTok trends, or TikTok foot content right in your titles and descriptions. Why? Because that's exactly what people are searching for. And don't stop at titles. Use TikTok style editing, quick jump cuts, soft ASMR sound, POV shots, captions that pop. It's not just for TikTok. That style keeps people watching on YouTube too. Here's the big win. When you match TikTok's vibe and give people content that they can't get on the app, they stay longer. And many of them click over to places like FeetFinder, where the content goes deeper and creators actually get paid. TikTok and YouTube have strict community guidelines, and they are not shy about takedowns or shadow bans. That's why it's so important to stay within the rules. No NSFW content and no risky wording. Instead, guide your audience subtly. Think pinned comments like "see more on FeetFinder link below" or a simple bio link. Mention the platform casually without making it the whole point. Keep things platform safe but curiosity driven. The goal is to build interest without setting off any alarms. FeetFinder thrives when creators are strategic and not spammy. So yeah, TikTok's not just for dancing anymore. It's fueling a foot content boom across platforms. And if you're creating foot content, now is the time to ride that wave. Seen TikTok feet in your analytics? Comment below. And if you're ready to turn your foot content into real income, check out feetfinder.com. Your people are already there.